Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well during these COVID times and you're staying at home, taking care of yourself and your family. So today's video is all about a new tip and trick which many of you ask me, that why do I emphasize so much on mental fitness along with physical fitness. So the thing is that there is a big connection between your mental state and your physical state. I'll explain you how. There is a strategy which is called the power of visualization. Now, what exactly is visualization? Visualization means that you're supposed to imagine something which actually does not exist, but you're trying to achieve that. Now, for example, if you're thinking about eating something which you really crave for, you'll immediately feel that your mouth salivates. Now, why does this happen? This happens because there are millions of neurons in our brain which actually communicate with each other, and they are responsible for each and every muscle movement which happens inside a body. So imagine that you are willing to have a physique which is like Sylvester Stallone or which is like Hrithik Roshan. So this is why it is very important that you have a goal to which you are working upon. Now, how does visualization help? It is scientifically proved that whatever is there in front of your eyes, whatever you are visualizing yourself to be transformed to be, there is a lot of percentage which actually makes it effective. So I'll give you an example of a case study or a research which happened in 2004. Have a look.
There was a research done by Cleveland Clinic Foundation in 2004 to understand how your mental strength plays a big role in your transformation. Based on the same, there were total 24 volunteers who participated in this research. They were divided into three groups, each contained 8 people. The first group was trained to perform mental contractions of little finger abduction. The second group performed mental contraction of elbow flexion, and the third group was not trained but participated in all measurements and served as a control pump. Finally, 6 volunteers performed training of physical maximal finger abduction. Training lasted for 12 weeks. At the end of the training, we found that the first group had increased their finger abduction strength by 35%. And the second group, which were also doing mental contraction for elbow flexion, they had gained the strength by 13.5%. Yes, you heard it right. So, the physical training group increased the finger abduction strength by 53%. So, you can well imagine how your brain plays a big role in terms of your body transformation. Imagine now how powerful your brain is. What gift of God you're carrying, where actually you can just program it the way you want and your body will start showing the results. Imagine how wonderful it would be for people, those who are not able to do physical exertions, but then they can actually just do visualizations and try to change their body. Imagine how beneficial it will be for old people, those who have joint problems, those who have ligament issues. They can just meditate and still keep up with some basics of maintaining their body structure.
There are many case studies like this where actually visualization has played a great role when it comes to bodybuilding or when it comes to running of an athlete or any form of sport. So yes, visualization is a very important technique which many of your instructors might have forgotten to tell you, that how you have to achieve to have your dream physique. This is why now you can correlate meditation is very important. In your meditation techniques, you are told to keep a concentrated environment where you are imagining yourself maybe into a calm and composed structure, or maybe you are imagining yourself into a physique or a transformation you are always aspiring. So yes, visualization is again one tip which you really need to work upon if you want a dream physique. I'll meet you next week with some more tips and tricks. Till then, be safe, stay at home, and yes, prevent the spread of coronavirus.